Hello everyone, and thank you so much for clicking on my property here at 1918 Wright Street. This is located in Fort Myers, Florida, and that's Southwest Florida for those of you that are unfamiliar with the area. And this area is absolutely booming. And here I have a property that's already been leased. The tenant's been there for 3 years. It's a newer build, and the property is in tremendous condition. Now, those of you that are looking for a great rental property, this would be that property. It's on city water, city sewer. It's located in the city of Fort Myers. The tenant pays the landscaping, the tenant pays the water, sewer. You get a net return on this of $750 a month, which is low right now, but as the properties start to rise, you'll see the rise in the rental income as well. Now, a lot of you are looking for a tremendous property, but a lot of you out there are looking to learn this process. If you're looking to learn this process and learn how I've generated millions of dollars buying homes at record low prices and reselling them to a worldwide audience, I'd be happy to teach you. If you go to my website, it's www.wealth.me, and just enter your name and your email address, and you'll get a series of free training videos that will detail the entire process from the time that I find the great deals to the time that I actually resell them to a worldwide audience. Now is the time to buy. You don't want to start buying once the economy starts booming again. Believe it or not, this area is the hottest area in the last 12 months. South Florida is South Florida. So people internationally are dying to buy properties in this area. And right now they're at record low prices. This property that I'm showing you guys right here is a tremendous investment. People ask me, if it's such a good investment, why don't you keep it for yourself? Well, this is what I do for a living. I buy homes very low, and I resell them much lower than my competition and much lower than you'd pay with some realtor, and I pass the savings on to my investors. And that's how I've done well over the last decade, is I buy the properties really cheap, and I still sell them cheaper than what you would pay through a realtor, or when they say short sale or foreclosure. Those are all gimmicks. Those are, if you want to buy tremendous deals and you want to get an amazing price on a property, you follow my simple 6-step process and you'll be able to buy properties much cheaper than your competition. And it really is simple. And I'm giving out these techniques to anybody who wants to learn them. Anybody who wants to know how I've done it, how I've generated millions of dollars doing exactly what I teach you, all you have to do, you just go to my website, you enter just your first name and your email address, and you'll immediately start to get a series of videos, and you can implement my process in any city. You don't have to do this in Florida. You don't have to do it in New York. You don't have to do it in Arizona. You don't have to do it in California. You could do it wherever you feel comfortable. You could do it in your own backyard. Now, a lot of you aren't looking to learn the process. You just want to get a tremendous deal. You want to get a tremendous piece of property. Well, this would be that property. Not only is it already leased out, but there's a 3-year tenant there. It's got central air conditioning, central heating. Tenant pays all the water, all the sewer, the internet, phone, cable, you name it. The tenant pays all of those things because it's a single-family house. So although to a lot of you, you're thinking, well, it's only leased for $750 a month. Well, during the boom, this would have been $1,500, $1,600. So if at the all-time low of this property, if you can still generate positive rental income, imagine what's going to happen 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the road. So if you want to learn the process, you go to my website, enter your name and your email address, and you'll get the series of free training videos. If you just want to buy a tremendous property, this would be that property. Click on the seller's other items, which is me. I own everything that I sell, and check out other tremendous deals in other areas. But right now, Florida is the market. Florida is the hottest. So if you want to learn this process, I'd be happy to teach it to you. I ask nothing in return except that you take action.